Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I am sharing with you what I have learned from participating in Genna Blackburn's 75 Art Challenge. A few months ago I joined the 75 Art Challenge, which was run by surface pattern designer and illustrator Genna Blackburn. The challenge was to simply draw each day for 75 days with the aim to create a drawing habit. Genna provided live drawing sessions you could join and watch her draw with her crayons or on her iPad while talking about creativity and art. The challenge also included some links to extra classes she teaches on Skillshare and a PDF with 150 drawing prompts. These were split into 75 simple prompts, which were divided into categories, and 75 slightly more detailed prompts. Genna uses Kajabi as her teaching platform, and this has a downloadable app where participants could share their drawings each day, cheer each other on, and also start discussions. So how did I get on with this challenge? First of all, I managed to create drawings for 75 days, though I didn't always draw every day, even though I tried on the days I was working in my day job. On those days I tried to sketch with my pencil during my half-hour lunch break and also have my lunch, and in the evenings I added color to those drawings with my brush pens or colored pencils. I tried to keep it simple by mostly using those two mediums. Only on day 3 I used drawing ink. And here are my drawings. On the first day I drew circles and squares and triangles and a simple mug. On the second day the prompt was bicycle, so I opted for a penny farthing and added a bunny. I also had a go at doodling. The prompt for day 3 was chair, and for this painting I used drawing ink from Winsor & Newton. As you can see, a cat was also included. I found some of these prompts not very inspiring, but nevertheless produced something. On day 11 the prompt was cat. As I love drawing and painting cats, it was fun to draw, and I also used this big sketchbook. I am dedicating this one to other challenges. The day 12 prompt was dog, followed by bird, fish and turtle. The overall theme for the next 5 days was food, and for the 5 days after it was transport, followed by plants. Day 30 is probably my favorite in this category. The prompt was cattails. The next category was home, and as you can see I had to include cats in the drawings. Drawing at such a small scale is not so easy. This sketchbook measures only 12 by 12 centimeters. The next category was hobbies and then clothing. The cat necklace from day 45 was inspired by a necklace I made. I wasn't so keen on the next two categories, which were technology and sports. I enjoyed drawing the unicorn and the dragon from the fantasy category. The next category was places, so for jungle I added a leopard and the park shows an empty playground. I didn't know what to draw for the prompt city, so I drew a daffodil, as you can see them everywhere in Cardiff. Sheep are also very common in Wales, and these were fun to draw. The next category was shops, and the drawings are more detailed. The last category was simply miscellaneous, and the final prompt was fluffy, and shows an attempt at drawing our neighbor's cat Charlie, who is indeed very fluffy. At the end of this challenge we also had to post our favorite drawing, which I found difficult to choose. My husband liked this one of our cat Max. What I have learned during this challenge is to keep drawing simple when I don't have much time and don't get bogged down by minute details. Drawings don't have to be perfect. It was more important to get something on the page. When I couldn't get my drawings done on my work days, I would draw 3 drawings at the weekend. What I also learned is that it's best to stick to one medium of choice. I have mostly used my Faber-Castell brush pit pens to color the drawings in. I have also learned that though I can draw anything, though not perfect, that I really like drawing animals and plants the most. Some of my drawings will also serve as an inspiration for future artworks. I really enjoyed this challenge. I don't know when Genna will do another challenge next year, but if you want to create a drawing habit without feeling overwhelmed, I suggest to create your own challenge. You could start with 5 days and choose your own theme and then build up on this and extend it to 10 days and so on. I hope you liked this video. If you have a question, please feel free to leave a comment. And if you want to support this channel, you can do so by liking, sharing and subscribing. You can also donate via PayPal. The link is in the description. Thank you for watching. Happy drawing. Until next time.